Hello and welcome to you all. Now we will see the two popular commands in Autocad. The first one is block count, that is how many blocks are there in the drawing, and the second one is the purge command in Autocad to delete the blocks permanently from the file. Okay, so here at first I will take a rectangle. Okay, then I will take a circle. Then I will take a polygon also. 4 number of sides. So center of the polygon is here, inside circle. Okay, and this is like this. Okay, and I will take a line also. Now I will create two layers. Layer 1 and another one is layer 2. Okay, the layers are created. Now I have to associate these objects to the particular layer. That this polygon is going to be placed in the layer 1. Okay, and this line will be associated in layer 2, and these two blocks are in default layer, that is 0 layer. Okay, these and these are in default layer. Now I will make 4 blocks. Shortcut command of block is B, enter. The name I will put rectangle. Okay. Peak points are selected, object is also selected. Now scale uniformly, whatever the scale it is, it will be block will be in that particular scale, the drawing sheet, matching with the drawing sheet. Then okay, again I will make another block, circle, peak point, yes, center, select objects. Okay, and these two are not specified under any block name, but these are in separate layers. This is in layer 1 and this one is in layer 2. Now the blocks are there in the screen. Okay, now I will delete the blocks. Now I can insert it, like this is circle, I can insert it over here. I will insert the, okay, I just undo, use the undo command. Now I will only delete the blocks from here. Okay, now I will insert, I can insert the circle by using the insert command. I can also insert the rectangle also here. Now I will use the purge command. Before going to use the purge command, you have to delete the blocks from the screen. Let's see. By keeping the blocks in the screen, I am going to use the purge command. Under here, what is this? The named object, view items, you can purge. The items the Autocad is allowing to purge, it will be shown over here. But under the block, under this blocks tab, there are no subheading, there are no submenus. That means that this Autocad is not going to allow to use the purge command. It will only allow to use the purge command when you will delete the blocks from the screen. Now you can use the purge command. Okay, see. Now under this block tab, there are 2 blocks are showing, that is circle and rectangle, whatever I had prepared. Okay, so I can purge it now. At first I only purged the circle, so it is confirming that whether I am interested to purge this item. Yes, okay, then close. Now I didn't touch the rectangle block, I didn't purge the rectangle block. Become close. Now see, if I going to insert, see, circle is not here, but rectangle is still showing. That means using this purge command, you can delete the blocks you have prepared. But now after the after using the purge command, these blocks will be deleted. The blocks are getting deleted from the drawing sheet, and you can also say that the blocks will be deleted from the file, from this file also. Okay. So rectangle is showing. After using the purge command once again, the rectangle block will not show over here. Okay, still it is there. Rectangle, I will show you. See, the rectangle is here. Whatever the blocks I have made, it is here. Now I will again delete it. Okay. But if I delete this block from this screen also, but still the blocks is in the memory of this file and of this Autocad. again I am inserting the block. Okay. Now if I use the explode command, see, I am exploding. So this is not a block at present. If I use the list command, see, this is under this layer 0, but no blocks are shown. Okay. Because this object is now not under the block. By using the explode command, you can explode the existing block on the screen but not in the file. You can't delete. By using the explode command, you will not be able to delete the blocks from this file. You can only explode in the screen. Okay, because blocks and you can't directly edit the blocks in the screen. You have to use the block editor. If you are not using to deal with the block editor, then you have to explode the blocks and then you can modify it. After that, you can also reassign the object in the same in the old under the old block name. Okay. So here now I will delete this one. Okay. Now if I use purge again, now again it is showing the rectangle. I can purge it. That means this rectangle block is going to be permanently deleted from this file under the Autocad. Okay. I'm going to use purge. It is again asking the confirmation. Yes, purge this item, close. Now see, if I use the insert command to insert the blocks, see, there are no blocks existing in this file under Autocad. So blocks are permanently deleted. But the one condition is there, what I already told, that is before using the purge command, we have to delete the existing blocks from the screen. But if you want to delete the existing blocks permanently from your file, then you have to use the purge command. Again, if I use the purge command, what can we do? We can also delete the objects from the layers, but it is not showing over here, right? So again the same thing we have to do, that is we have to delete it. Then if I use purge command, see, under this layer it is showing the default layer will not show. Okay, the default layer will not show. Only the extra layer you have created, that will show over here. Now I am in layer 1 and see the by default layer, that is layer 0, is not showing over here. Only the layer 2, which is not in use at present, which is not the current layer, that will show. In simple words, we can say that here the layers will only show which are not in use at present. That means which are not the current layer, and also the another point is that is the default layer will not show over here. If the two criteria are there, default layer cannot be purged, and the layer which is the current layer, that will not show over here. That you can't, the current layer will not be able to purge. Now at present current layer is layer 1, so it is not showing over here. Now if I change it to layer 2, see, Purge, now that layer 1 will show. Okay. See, layer 1 is only showing because layer 2 is the current layer, so it will not show over here, and by default layer is 0, so default layer will not show over here as I told, so default layer is also not showing over here, right? Now I'm going to make the current layer as by default layer. Okay, so now if I use the purge command, then the layer 1 and layer 2 will show. Now see, when I type this purge command from the keyboard, before pressing the enter, you will be able to see that there are two purge commands are there. One is purge, another one is hyphen, and then purge. What is the difference between these two commands? Both are same, but if you use this one, if you click on this one, then it will show a user window. Okay, and from there you can choose something. But if you use this one, that is hyphen then purge, okay, then it will, all the comments will show in the comment section, in this section. Okay, see, in this section all the different types of different layers and blocks and etc are showing in the comment section. Whatever it will show in the window, that all the options are showing in the comment section. That is the difference. Okay, see, if I click on layers, it is asking enter the names to purge, enter the layer's name to purge. So I have to type it over here like layer 1, like this. Okay, now it is asking verify each name of its name to be purged, yes or no. If I press yes, then again it will ask purge layer 1, yes or no. Yes, why? See, here layer 1 is not showing, permanently it has been deleted. For now I am just going to the undo command. Okay. layer 1 has already came. Okay, now I will show how to purge all the items in one click. So I'm going to this purge command, and from there the layer 1 and layer 2 will show, because see, layer 2 is not showing over here because current layer is layer 2. So I can go to by default layer. Now if I use purge, and the layers are showing layer 1 and layer 2. Okay, so I'll be able to purge at a time by using this purge all command. Purge all items, yes. See, the layer says deleted. Okay, only the default layer is present, but layer 1 and layer 2 are deleted from this file. Okay, now I will show you how to count the number of blocks that are there in the screen. Suppose a large scale drawing is there and there are several blocks. So first I will make some objects. Now I will assign some block, assign these objects in under some blocks. This line, select object. Pick point is something like this. Okay. And then again blocks. R for rectangle. Select objects. These two. Pick point is this one. Okay. Second block. C for circle. Pick point is this one. So blocks are prepared. Now to count the number of blocks, there is a command that is block count. Okay, so the shortcut command is of this block count is the shortcut command of block count is BCOUNT. Block BCOUNT. Okay, BCOUNT. Now it is asking to select the objects. I'm going to select all the objects are in the screen, then enter. Okay, I will just make a copy of this one also. The block is same, but there are two blocks at present. These two objects are treated as one object under this block rectangle, or which is named as R, and here also another block is there with the same name, that is R. The same blocks are there. Okay, so this is one object, this is another object. That means R block are in the screen in the quantity of 2. Okay, so I will use BCOUNT and all the objects enter. Now I will see by using the list command how many blocks are in this screen. Okay, select objects. R was the block. Which one is the R block? This one. These two objects, these two rectangles are treated as one object, and this is named as R in the block command. Okay, and this one, these two objects are also treated as one object under the R block. Okay, so there are two number of R blocks are there in this screen. So R2. C for circle. C. Circle 1, circle 2, circle 3, circle 4, circle 5, circle 6. 6 circles are there. These are treated as single objects unless and until I make it a single object by using the block command. So after using the block command, what I did, these 6 objects are now as one object. So circle block is 1. C block, the block named as C, is now present in the screen as in quantity of 1. And the L block, that is this line, L block, how many quantities are there in this screen? Only 1. So it is showing L1, C1, R2. So this is how you will be able to find out how many blocks are there in the screen. Okay. So after using the BCOUNT command, you have to use the list command to see the command section here. Okay. See, BCOUNT I have used, which is the shortcut command from keyboard of block count command. Okay. One more thing, you can see from the screen that specify opposite corner select objects. I have selected the objects. Now the 4 objects are found. What are those 4 objects? One is this one, another one is this one, third one is this one, and the fourth one is this one. These 4 objects it has found. So this is our video for now. Thank you.